There's one superfood sitting quietly in almost every grocery store. Yet most people walk right past it. And the crazy part? It's healthier than 99% of what you eat every single day. Let me take you back a little. A few years ago, I was tired, like the kind of tired you feel deep in your bones. Coffee didn't help, multivitamins didn't help, but then someone told me, try chia seeds. And honestly, I laughed. They're tiny, they look like bird food. How powerful could they really be? Turns out, more powerful than I ever imagined. Chia seeds have been called the ancient warrior food because Aztec messengers used to run for hours powered only by a handful of them. And when you think about it, it makes sense. These little seeds are nutritional monsters. Just imagine this. 1 tablespoon of chia has more omega-3s than salmon, more fiber than most vegetables, and more antioxidants than blueberries. It's almost unfair. How can something so small carry so much strength? But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike most healthy foods that need long recipes or complicated preparation, chia seeds are ridiculously simple. You just drop them into water and they instantly turn into this gel-like texture that fills you up, hydrates your body, and releases energy slowly so you don't crash. I started drinking chia water every morning, and the changes were so noticeable that friends actually asked if I was sleeping more, eating cleaner, or working out harder. Nope, just chia. And most people don't realize how many everyday problems this one superfood quietly fixes. Feeling bloated? Chia's fiber acts like a natural broom for your gut. Always hungry? The gel keeps you full for hours. Skin looking dull? Antioxidants handle that. Low energy? Slow-release carbs fix that too. And the best part is how easy it is to add to your life. Put it in your smoothie. Add it to yogurt. Mix it in juice. Or do what I do. Just throw a spoon into a bottle of water and shake. One tiny food with giant results. We're so used to searching for complicated solutions that sometimes we overlook the simplest ones. Chia seeds aren't trendy, they aren't glamorous, and they're not expensive, but they're one of the most complete, most powerful foods on the planet. So the next time you pass that little bag of chia seeds on the store shelf, if you want more simple, science-backed nutrition tips that actually make a difference, make sure you hit that subscribe button.